Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Dodge Challenger tire. First, gather your essential tools, a jack, a lug wrench, and your spare tire. Always ensure your Challenger is parked on a flat, stable surface, away from traffic, to guarantee your safety. Before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. This initial step makes removal much easier once the car is elevated. Now, let's safely lift your Challenger. Locate the designated jack points on the vehicle's frame, typically near the flat tire. Position the jack securely under this point and slowly begin to raise the car. Continue lifting until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. For maximum safety, always place jack stands under the vehicle's frame once it's elevated, before you proceed with tire removal. With the Challenger safely elevated, it's time to remove the flat tire. Finish unscrewing all the lug nuts you previously loosened and place them in a safe spot. Gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and carefully align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Almost done. Once the spare tire is on, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Then, carefully lower your Dodge Challenger back to the ground using the jack. After the car is fully on the ground, use the lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts completely. Work in a star pattern to ensure even pressure, giving each nut a final snug turn. Don't forget to check tire pressure soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.